my god. Get ready.
What?
Wolves.
Oh, I couldn't even hear them.
This way, right here. They're far away. Yeah, I want to get out of the tree. I'm gonna actually get on this ridge line right here. I wonder if they're directly beneath us.
Oh yeah, I can hear him. TV is very low.
I need to like get on a rock. Could be a different player.
No, that's definitely coming for us. We'll just kind of see where they materialize from.
I hear one. Right up close. Coming at me. Hit it once. I think I missed it. Nice. Damn, that's a fucking beefy ass suppress sound. I need you to hit it. If it comes out, okay. Yeah, dude, isn't that a fucking crazy sound?
Yeah, good sound. I gotta get used to the sights though. The sights are kind of poopy on this thing.
Oh, okay. Alright, I say let's get out of here before someone else comes.
We're gonna be getting real close to Tizy, by the way.
Okay.
I'm gonna hide in this tree and reload the SK.
Damn. I blew apart one of the suppressors doing that. Yeah, dude, you got like 2 to 3 shots out of it, and just immediately it just deconstructed itself.
Yeah. I wonder if it also has something to do with the condition of the water bottle you use.
Yeah, that's actually a good point. Although I will say that when you build the suppressor, it seems like it will default it to pristine.
Okay. Well, a new suppressor on it, fully loaded. I'm pretty sure we're like knocking on the door of Tizy, but yeah, wolf thing kind of threw me off. Actually, no, we're still a decent. Yeah, it's like when you had the silent, or you had the water bottle silencer on it, you can't really use the iron sights, and then you got to use the scope. But the scope is the scope. Somehow it has glare 24/7. It's just like, all right, well, whatever.
For what gun?
The SK.
Really? Oh, I was looking through it.
Yeah.
I didn't really see any glare with it.
It's got like a weird top half glare thing. It's not unbearable, but it's not like super pleasant on the eye either.
Oh. Is it as bad as that like other gun that we had that was like that?
It's slightly better.
Oh, okay.
If it was like that other gun, I wouldn't use it. I would have been like, yeah, I'm gonna have to switch it back.
Oh shit, dude, there's a bear.
Where?
I don't know where, but it's so fucking close with what I just heard. Oh my god, coming!
I see it.
Oh my god! It's dead. Yo, bandage the fuck up, dude. Holy fuck.
I never got hit.
Holy shit, dude, you're a fucking warrior. Did you see what it did? Yo, it took a fucking nibble out of your ass cheek on my screen.
Oh. If I got hit, I didn't even realize.
I want to see what I get from this dude. Alright, well, there goes my fucking M4 ammo. Holy shit, dude, look at vicinity. That's a 32 fucking inventory space for that bear pelt. What the hell can you even make with that?
I don't know.
I need to go look that up real quick, dude. I'm just gonna go in this tree real quick. Dude, that was fucking insane. Talk about adrenaline. Yo, so we were running, and I heard a bear, and, like, I've heard so many, dude, but, like, that sound, I could just tell it was, like, somewhere in front of us. And, yo, I was in my inventory getting my freaking M4 out, and, dude, I literally just see it, like, through the woods, just the size of your body. Alright, we're gonna fucking get capped out here.
Yeah, I'm saving that video. I highly doubt anyone else is out here.
Dude, that was fucking crazy. It brought my M4 down to damaged.
Oh, I have the weapon repair kit on me.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm actually just...
Sit over here.
I'm just gonna refill my magazine with whatever the hell is left.
Okay.
Okay, 5 rounds. I'm just gonna switch to semi-auto then.
Take the weapon repair kit back. Because more than likely we're gonna come across some ammo for you when we get there.
Oh yeah.
I would hope.
I mean, dude, with the sort of shit that we've been finding, at this point we're gonna fucking pull up and find a minigun.
Jesus. The fucking map of Chinaris is trying to prevent us from looting.
I gotta figure out where you went.
I'm hiding in a tree for a second. I gotta check the map.
Okay.
Yeah, we're doing good. Oh, there you are.
Oh.
Yeah, we just keep heading in this direction.
Okay.
Do you want to go straight into the main base of Tizy, or do you want to loop around and do the tent section first?
I say we do probably main first.
Okay.
But oh my god, dude, more wolves.
Over here.
Yeah, to the train cart.
Yeah. We'll just file them in. Protect the doorway.
Oh, dude, they were right outside. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Bro.
2 of them, 3 of them, 4 of them. Yeah, dude, what the fuck is this? Okay, how about this? You get the, you want to just open the door? We can have you, like, in fucking prone position or some shit, and you can just light that bitch up.
Sounds good.
I'm gonna be backing you up with a 45. Real quick, do you have any 5.56 by 45 on you?
I do not.
Okay. Yeah, it's gonna have to be a 45, but hell of a lot better than a 22. Let me see if I can stand on your head, maybe. I want to see if I can get maybe one of them, because I mean there's four. Okay, if you want to back up real quick, get ready.
Yeah.
If you want to back all the way up to the wall, just so you have more time before they get to you. When I open it, I'm gonna back up with you.
Okay.
Alright. Okay. This is gonna be interesting. My favorite, bandage. Okay. When I say go, I'm opening it. 3,
Okay.
2, 1, go. Oh!
This last one won't be suppressed.
If you want me to... Oh, there's two of them left. If you want me to continue firing.
I can switch to my 9mm.
Okay. Dead. We're fucking kicking ass, dude, out here. Who's fucking next? That's what I'm fucking talking about, dude. We're on fucking 8 wolves, 1 bear. Next, we're gonna have a fucking Spinosaurus come to the woods. It's fucking ridiculous, dude.
I have a feeling there's gonna be a second bear.
Dude, I have no ammo left for my M4. If there's a second bear, we're probably fucked. We are gonna have to dump everything in our inventories into another bear. Told you, dude, I should have brought that fucking bazooka.
Yeah.
Can you imagine a 40mm grenade to the head of a bear? I need to
You know, in our
experience
market would
it.
have bounced off the bear and killed us. He'd be insane.
That was so fucking awesome, dude. It was like a reverse room clear with wolves. I've never had that experience in a fucking game before. Dude, we just got pinned in a train cart by a pack of wolves.